Hi mates, welcome back to Complete Concepts. In the previous video, we have seen map method in JavaScript. In this video, we will check filter method in JavaScript. So without wasting time, let's start. As the name indicates, filter method is used to filter out the elements from an array. So suppose we have some requirement to filter out the edges which are greater than 18 from an array. So let me declare one dummy array where edges equal to, let me give some random edges like 12, 65, 89, 18, 12, 22, 25, 8. Okay. So now we will try to filter out this element using a filter method. Filter method returns a new array. It does not change the original array. So we have to create a new array where filter equal to edges dot filter, and this function will take callback function. So it will be like function, and this function will take three parameters: value, index, and array. Value is the current element, index is the index of that element, and the array to which that element belongs. Index and array are optional parameters. Value is a mandatory parameter. So let me pass value. I will pass age, and then we will give our function. It is to return age greater than or equal to 18. So this is our filter method. Let me try to display this using console.log, and here we will give a message that is printing filter, and we will print the filter. So let me save this thing, and then we will run this node filter.js, and here we have our output, ages greater than or equal to 18. We have seen arrow functions also, so we can replace this function using a arrow function. So what we will do, I will remove this thing, and then I will pass age as my parameter, and then we will pass our function which is age greater than or equal to 18. So this will work. Let me save this thing, and we will try to run this again. And we have our same output using the arrow function. If you want to check that how we define arrow function and how the arrow function works, we have a separate video for that in the functions. I will keep its link in the card and in the description. You can check it over there. So that was all for this video. In this video, we have seen filter method in JavaScript. If you have any queries, put those in the comments. I will try to answer those. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is Yash Kulkarni signing off.